Allow me to tell you who I am. My name is Ben Harris. I'm a past life therapist and astrologer for the last 40-something years. Lately I've been specializing in remote viewing other planets, mainly our solar system, and doing videos on YouTube under Ben A. Harris, one word, clearly showing people and beings and different types of races we don't have here, giants, castles, all the things that NASA has been hiding with that orange Cheeto dye and those smudges. I show a lot of the smudges where they smudge the first 4 stories of a building and leave the other 3 stories suspended in space above the smudging cloud. So it's important to understand that there's a Tower of Babel on the planet and there's a Tower of Babel in the solar system. So we're going to try to put it together and see just really what that spells out. They say on the Earth you follow the money. Well, I think that in space you follow the logic. And all right, let's move on.